Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Payoneer account. If you want to delete your Payoneer account, what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead to your browser, and in order to delete Payoneer account, you can't actually delete it by one button like social media and app. You need to get in touch with the customer support and go to the help tab on the top right and then choose the support center, or just go ahead to Google and just go to the support center and then select my Payoneer account and then click close or reopen account in the panel on the left, and then choose I wish to close my account and then read the precaution so you can know what you're up against. So basically that's the list of the feedback right here. And basically you can just go ahead, let me just go right here. You're gonna see the help center website like that, and just go ahead and click my Payoneer account and then fill out the request of deleting or reopening your account. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.